Understanding, waiting for midnight, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into a very intriguing phrase, waiting for midnight. It's a phrase that holds a lot of mystery and excitement, and we're here to unpack its meanings and uses. Whether you're a language learner or just love English, you're in the right place. At its core, waiting for midnight refers to the act of waiting for the clock to strike 12 a.m. This can be associated with anticipation or preparation for an event that is scheduled to occur at midnight. It's the moment when one day ends and another begins, often seen as a time of transition or significance in various cultures and stories. Beyond its literal meaning, waiting for midnight can have deeper, figurative interpretations. It often symbolizes a period of anticipation or the eve of a significant change. This phrase can evoke feelings of excitement, anxiety, or reflection, as people await something important or transformative that will happen at midnight, such as a new year, a special announcement, or a magical moment. Waiting for midnight is a phrase that you might encounter in books, movies, and songs, where it's used to build suspense or highlight a pivotal moment. For example, in fairy tales, midnight often marks the end of enchantments or the deadline for a magical spell. In contemporary stories, it can signify the start of a significant event or the climax of a thrilling plot. To help you incorporate this phrase into your English, here are a few examples. We were all waiting for midnight to see the spectacular fireworks display. As the old year faded away, she was waiting for midnight to embrace the new beginnings. The entire town was waiting for midnight, eager for the mystery to finally be unveiled. And there you have it. Waiting for midnight is a phrase rich with literal and symbolic meanings, from simple anticipation to deeper representations of change and excitement. We hope this exploration has illuminated its nuances for you and inspired you to use it in your own conversations and writing. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content. Stay curious, and happy learning!